Hi everyone, Colleen here, and welcome back to Gut Balls. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very important topic, my swallow. As ALS patients progress in their disease, whether they are limb onset or bulbar onset, the muscles in this region become weak, not only affecting a patient's ability to chew and eat their food, but also to swallow and breathe. So the swallow is a good indicator of when a patient progresses to the next stage and whether or not the patient needs a feeding tube. Very common. And we will discuss that when the time comes. For now, I'm going to discuss my swallow. I have a fairly decent swallow. The swallow is a complicated process. It's not just open and close, the food goes down. A swallow is several stages to get the food down the right way, and it involves a lot of different muscles. Muscles in the tongue, the soft palate, the pharyngeal wall in the back of our throat, and a whole bunch of muscles in here to help keep that process moving through all of the stages. About 6 months ago, I had a live x-ray of my swallow, which identified the unique muscles in my body that were getting weak. So the exercises I'm going to show you today are very unique to me and my muscle weaknesses. Now, many of these exercises could be helpful to others, but not to everyone, because we all have different muscles weakening at different times. It's just the nature of the condition. So, if someone is having difficulty swallowing, I recommend they go to a professional for an assessment to identify the very specific muscles that person may have weakness and the exercises unique to them. So for today, I will show you the exercises that benefit me and my specific combination of muscle weakness. And the first thing, this bad boy right here, we've seen it before in my respiratory exercises video. This is an inhale-exhale device that I have discussed before. One of the wonderful things about my exercises is that there are more than one reasons, more than one thing that my exercises help me for. This inhale-exhale device not only helps with my respiratory function on the inhale, but the exhale strengthens some lungs and, strengthens my muscles in my throat. On the exhale, it helps me with my forced cough, if you like to watch that video. Also helps me with my swallow. Next, I will show you my ball. My ball helps me with some muscles in my throat, also help with my swallow. There are 2 different exercises I do with this. First of all, I place the ball about right here on my throat, like right in here, and I push down with my chin. I do like a push-up, and I also do a hold. So and then I also do the hold. I definitely feel this in my throat. Now, for my specific weakness, I keep my mouth closed, but other people, depending on where the muscle weaknesses are, might have their mouth open during those exercises. The next exercise is also something I had shown you in my respiratory exercises video because it requires a certain amount of lung power. But the exercise does help with my swallow as well. E. Definitely feel that in my throat as well. The next exercise I'd like to show you is for my soft palate. In this exercise, I hold my breath and I apply some pressure like in my cheeks to try to hold the air in. This also helps with my swallow. The next set of exercises are types of swallows. Again, these are unique to my muscle weaknesses. The first one is a hard swallow. Hard swallow. The next one, I stick my tongue out. I use my teeth to help keep my tongue in place while I swallow. Let me do that again. Sometimes I do a combination of a hard swallow followed by the tongue swallow. Posture is very important and keep myself aligned so that my swallow is most efficient. The next or third swallow that I do, I bear down. So I inhale, swallow, and then I exhale. I'll even do a combination of all 3. Let me do that one more time. So together, all of these exercises keep a nice strong swallow for me. At this point, I'm still eating solids And I mean salads. I've had some carrot sticks, some chips, had a cheeseburger the other day. So right now my swallow is doing pretty good. So stay tuned for other videos that I have planned for you. There's a lot more to discuss. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for being a part of my journey.